Hi guys, it's Sienna here. So I got a couple of packages today, but there was only one that was for the unboxing. So I'm gonna reveal it now. And this is from Visage Boutique. I love my consultant. All right, so the first thing that we got is teal western and gold and plum honeycomb and pink lemonade. I'm loving these, although they're not for me, they're a gift for someone, so I'll just put these back how I got them. I'm gonna try to at least. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. And then this is the exclusive mystery bag that they just had. My first mystery bag, and I just kind of tore up that bag. So I want to say these bars are blood orange bars. These are rainbow glitter double diamonds. I love double diamonds. That's my favorite shape. And then these are a beige with rose gold leaf, the medium. And then these are these nice white acrylic. Totally wear these. And then here's another part of the mystery bag. These are like these resin and wood. And then, oh, these are button studs, but they are larger than what they were. So, these were exclusive. They're not going to remake most of them. So that's what was in my Visage Boutique mystery bag. So till next time, I'll be seeing you. Bye.